Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Easy English Podcast, your cozy place to learn English and grow at the same time.
Yes, we're so happy you're here. Maybe you're walking, maybe you're making tea, or maybe hiding from responsibilities on the sofa.
That's okay. We see you and we love you.
I'm Ken.
And I'm Everlyn. Today, we are talking about a topic that can change your life if you get it right.
Right. And it can make life harder if you don't.
Today, we're talking about goal setting.
Goal setting is about deciding what you want in life and making a plan to reach it.
And the best part is, you don't need perfect motivation. You just need the right steps.
Exactly. And we'll also talk about ways to stay motivated, focused, and resilient while working toward your goals.
And of course, we'll help your English along the way.
Let's start with the first question. Why do goals matter?
Goals give you direction. Without goals, it's like driving a car without a map. You might move, but you don't know where you're going.
Exactly. When you set a goal, you have something to aim for, something to work toward every day.
And goals help you stay motivated. Even when things are hard, your goal reminds you why you started.
But here's the thing. A goal alone is not enough. You need a plan.
Right. You need small steps, small actions every day.
Think of it like climbing a mountain. You don't jump to the top. You take one step at a time.
There are different types of goals. Some are short-term and some are long-term.
Short-term goals are small goals you can reach in a few days or weeks. For example, I will study English for 10 minutes today.
Long-term goals take months or years. For example, I want to be fluent in English in 1 year.
Both types are important. Short-term goals keep you moving. Long-term goals give you vision.
And remember, goals can be in different areas of life: health, work, relationships, hobbies, and learning.
You can have one big life goal, but also small daily goals. Now let's talk about how to set SMART goals.
SMART is a popular method. It helps you make goals that work.
The letters stand for S equals specific, M equals measurable, A equals achievable, R equals relevant, T equals time-bound.
Let's break it down. Specific means your goal is clear. Not, I want to study English, but I want to learn 20 new English words this week.
Measurable means you can check your progress. You need to know when you are done.
Achievable means it is possible. Don't set a goal too hard. Start small.
Relevant means it matters to you. Your goal should fit your life and dreams.
And time-bound means you have a deadline. For example, I will finish this book by the end of the month.
SMART goals are simple but powerful. They give you clarity and motivation.
Even with good goals, many people fail.
Why? One reason is lack of consistency. People start strong but stop after a few days.
Another reason is fear. People are afraid to fail or afraid of what others will think.
Sometimes people set unrealistic goals. Big goals are good, but if they're unrealistic, they can make you feel frustrated.
And another reason is no plan. A goal without a plan is just a wish.
So we need small steps, courage, and persistence.
Let's talk about motivation. How do you stay motivated when it's hard?
One way is to visualize your success. Imagine how you will feel when you reach your goal.
Another way is to break goals into small tasks. Small steps feel easier.
Celebrate small wins. Even tiny progress is progress.
And surround yourself with supportive people. Friends, family, or online communities can cheer you on.
Motivation comes and goes, but habits last. Build daily habits toward your goals.
Another challenge is staying focused. Life is full of distractions.
One trick is to prioritize your goals. Focus on what is most important.
Use a planner or notebook to track tasks. Writing helps you stay organized.
Remove distractions when working on your goal. For example, put your phone away while studying.
And remember, it's okay to have off days. Focus on getting back on track tomorrow.
Sometimes things go wrong. You face obstacles.
This is where resilience is important. Resilient people keep going even after setbacks.
And sometimes you need flexibility. Your plan may change, and that's okay.
Being flexible doesn't mean giving up. It means adjusting to reach your goal in the best way possible.
Think of it like water. Water moves around rocks but still reaches the river.
Let's talk about mistakes.
First mistake, setting goals without a reason. Your goal must matter to you.
Second mistake, waiting for motivation. Motivation comes and goes. Action is more important.
Third mistake, comparing yourself to others. Your journey is unique.
Fourth mistake, not reviewing your progress. Check your plan regularly.
You can use tools to reach your goals.
For example, planners, apps, reminders, or accountability partners.
Visual boards or calendars help you see your progress.
And writing your goal down makes it real.
Small daily actions plus tracking equals big results.
Your mindset matters.
Believe that your actions matter more than luck.
Focus on progress, not perfection.
Learn from mistakes. Mistakes are feedback, not failure.
And remember, small steps every day lead to big changes.
Now, let's review some strong words from today's episode.
Goal, something you want to achieve.
SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound.
Motivation, the reason you want to do something.
Consistency: doing something regularly.
Persistence, continuing even when it's hard.
Resilience: keep going after obstacles.
Flexibility, ability to adjust your plan.
Prioritize: focus on the most important tasks.
Habits, repeated actions that become automatic.
Repeat these words and try to use them in your sentences.
Before we finish today, let's talk about something very important: staying motivated and overcoming challenges while working toward your goals.
Yes, because setting a goal is one thing, but actually following through every day, that's the real challenge.
Let's start with motivation. Motivation can be like a spark. Sometimes it's big and strong, and other times it's small or even invisible.
Right. Some days you wake up ready to conquer the world, and other days you feel tired, distracted, or even a little hopeless.
And that's completely normal. Even the most successful people feel this way. The key is not to wait for motivation, but to create momentum through small actions.
Momentum is like a snowball. It starts small, but as you keep rolling it, it grows bigger and stronger.
Exactly. Let's say your goal is to practice English every day. Even if today you only study for 5 minutes, that's enough to start momentum.
And once you take one small action, it's easier to take the next one. Action creates motivation, not the other way around.
Another challenge is self-doubt. You might think, I can't do this, or I'm not good enough.
That voice in your head is normal, but it's important to notice it and then act anyway. You don't have to wait until you feel perfect or confident.
A helpful trick is to focus on progress, not perfection. Ask yourself, did I take one step today? That's what counts.
Yes, and sometimes obstacles come from outside too. Life gets busy, work is stressful, friends and family need your attention.
That's why planning your time is crucial. Break your goal into small, achievable steps and schedule them in your day. Even 10 to 15 minutes counts.
And don't forget resilience. Sometimes things go wrong. You might fail, forget a step, or face a difficult situation.
Resilience means you don't stay down. You get back up, learn from the experience, and keep going.
And flexibility helps too. Maybe your plan needs to change. That's okay. Being flexible doesn't mean giving up. It means you are smart about how to reach your goal.
A simple habit to build resilience and motivation is to review your goals daily. Write down one small action you can do today, even if it's tiny.
Another tip is to visualize your success. Imagine how you'll feel when you reach your goal. This gives your brain a taste of success and encourages you to keep going.
And remember to celebrate small wins. Every step forward deserves recognition. Even tiny wins build confidence and motivation.
One more important point: surround yourself with support. Friends, family, teachers, or even online communities can encourage you, give advice, or just cheer you on.
And if you face criticism, don't let it stop you. Remember our earlier ideas about growing a thick skin and rising above negativity.
Absolutely. Keep your focus on your goals, not on what others say. Their opinions do not decide your success. Your actions do.
So before we finish today, I want to leave you with this thought. You don't need to feel perfect to take action. You only need to take one small step.
And one small step becomes 2, then 3, and eventually you'll see real progress towards your goals.
So tonight, take a moment to write down one small step you can take tomorrow toward your goal. Just one step. That's enough.
And remember, your goals are like seeds. Water them a little every day, and they will grow into something amazing.
Yes, small steps, daily habits, resilience, and belief in yourself. That's the path to achieving your goals. If you only remember one thing today, remember this. Small daily actions create big results.
Take one step today. Even a tiny step is progress.
Write down your goal, make a plan, and start now.
And don't worry if it's not perfect. The important thing is to start and keep going.
Be resilient, stay focused, and celebrate your wins.
This is Ken.
And I'm Evelyn. You've been listening to the Easy English Podcast. Keep setting goals, learning English, and growing every day.
Bye, everyone.
See you next time.